Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually start selling in the United Arab Emirates. And the reason we're making this video is to give you a complete breakdown and the strategy that you require to ensure that you can scale your business and become a successful dropshipper in the UAE on Shopify.com, the global commerce platform, guys, where you can build your business with Shopify and sell online, offline, and everywhere in between. And the main reason that we absolutely love Shopify is the fact that you have an opportunity to look at millions of entrepreneurs and understand exactly what they have done, and it gives us a chance to learn from their mistakes so we don't repeat them. With representation in 170 countries, with a total US e-commerce of 10%, a global economic activity of $444 billion. And obviously, guys, at the end of the day, when you are using Shopify, you position yourself in a very well organized way. And once you scroll down, you'll be able to see the power that Shopify tends to bring. Now you can bring your vision to life with their simple drag and drop store creator. There's no coding expertise required, just your next big idea. You can select from customizable templates that are created by a community of world-class designers. You can even add more features and functionalities to your online stores with the apps that are built by trusted Shopify developers. And that is the thing I absolutely love about Shopify, because you don't need to hire a front-end or a back-end developer. All you need to do is focus on growing your business, because the tools and the help that is required on Shopify is given to everyone. You can sell online, in person, and around the world with the marketing tools, the social integrations, and the sales channels that you need to get your product in front of customers. Now, one of the things, guys, that you need to understand once you head onto Shopify, this is a very unique platform because it gives you the support, the guidance, and the assistance. And you can easily back your business with ShopPay, the one-click checkout that is built to convert. And once you do that, you will have a flexible point of sale to power your retail store, a point of sale system that allows customers to shop their way from online to the checkout line, from the first touch to the full funnel. You can find new shoppers with the SEO, social media, and content marketing tools that help you reach customers where they are, and build custom email campaigns and set automation to serve every segment and connect with customers on the go with integrated messaging tools. You can take control of your customer data to build custom audience and explore the customer insights that drive ongoing growth. You can manage inventory, track payments, and view real-time business insights all in one place, so you can focus on building your business. So get your products where they need to be with the integrated inventory management, streamlined returns, and a dedicated shipping and fulfillment network. You can manage your business finances all from one place with the money management and flexible funding designs with the entrepreneurs in mind, guys. So if you don't have a Shopify account, don't worry. Click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days, or just click the start free trial and head over to the next page. And obviously, as you head over there, they'll ask you a couple of questions such as which one of these best describes you, and they'll help you get set up based on your business needs. Are you just starting off or already selling online, or as a person? We're gonna say that we're just starting off. Then where would you like to sell? And you can pick as many as you like, guys, and you can always change them later. It could be an online store where you can create a fully customizable website, an existing website or a blog, and add a buy button to your website, or social media by reaching customers through Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and so much more. An online marketplace to list products on Google, Amazon. In person to sell at retail stores, pop-ups, or other physical locations, or you're not sure. We're gonna go with the online store and the social media. The next question they ask is that which social media channels do you want to sell on? We can say all of them, or we can select the ones that we want to use. We're going to go with Facebook. After we do that, they'll ask us, do you have an online audience? If you're engaging with an audience on online platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Substack, or elsewhere, you can set all of them up and sell on them. we're going to go with the fact that we do have an online audience. And then comes the most important question is, what would you like to name your store, guys? And obviously you got to make sure that you do your research and select a name that reflects the quality of the items that you would be selling. And the best way to do that is understand the niche that you want to enter, and obviously research and find out what your competitors are called. And once you select the name, you can always select it and use that name. And if you want to share that name or want a second opinion, you can always message us in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, and to guide you. But for this video, we're just gonna go with a normal generic name over here as an example. Now, once we select the name, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna hit next. Now, as we hit next, it will be taken to the last element. We'll be taken to the second last element, and this is also one of the most important, is where would you like to sell? Since we're selling in the United Arab Emirates, we're gonna select the United Arab Emirates. And once we do that, it will say it looks like that you're not located in the UAE. And are you sure you want to create a Shopify store in the United Arab Emirates? And you will face issues such as tax and duty obligations, payment issues, shipping issues, localization, Shopify benefits, and terms of services. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to actually bypass all of that. But before we do that, we need to create a store. So just hit next and head to the last bit that you need to enter, which is very interesting. You need to create a Shopify ID. You can continue with your email, you can continue with your Apple ID or your Facebook ID or with your Google Gmail ID. Now, I always use my Google ID because it's very simple and easy to use. All you need to do is select the Gmail account that you want to connect your Shopify account to, sit back, relax, and let everything get taken care of by Google. It takes a couple of seconds to build our store, and during that time, you can sip your favorite margaritas. This is what your dashboard is gonna look like. On the left-hand side, you're gonna have your home, your orders from drafts and abandoned checkouts to products, inventory, transfers, collections, and gift cards. You'll have your customers, and guys, if you have multiple accounts on different dropshipping websites, you can import all your customers to Shopify and unify them in one place. You will have your content from meta object to files, and you can add as much information as you require. Then you're gonna have analytics, and this is my personal favorite because you'll have reports and live views as well, giving you a complete breakdown of the information that you require to know about your dropshipping accounts. You'll have your marketing from campaigns and automations, your discounts, and your online stores. With an online stores, you'll have your themes, your blog posts, your pages, your navigation, and your preferences. Now guys, one of the things that you need to understand is that you have free themes and you have paid themes. And one of the things that I absolutely love about Shopify is the fact that they have very strong developed themes available. And I always mention to all my viewers to always use the free themes initially. And once your dropshipping account starts off and takes off and you start earning, you can always upgrade to a paid theme. You can click on visit the theme store to check out all the themes that are available. And you can also connect your Facebook and your Instagram instantly with the integration that's available on Shopify. They make sure that they can provide you every sort of support that you require to help you scale your business, and that is how you do it. But before you do anything, head over to settings, guys, because this is where we need to make sure that the information that we have is correct. Our store name, our email, our sender email, and our business information. Now, as you can see, our business address is in the United Arab Emirates with the store currency of the UAE dirham. We're in the right place. Then you have to check the taxes and the duties to make sure that you include all the tax that are required as per the information of the country. So we're going to include the tax and the prices. We're going to charge the tax on shipping rates, and we're going to charge VAT on the digital goods. Once you have selected that, just click on save. After you saved it, scroll right up and go ahead over to locations. Make sure that your shop is based in the United Arab Emirates, which it is, so we're fine. And once you select markets, you have to check if your primary market is based in the United Arab Emirates. click on manage, and then you can see the domain and the languages, the product and the pricing, the duties and the import tax, and the shippings that are available. Click on manage the shipping to make sure that the shipping is correct. As you can clearly see, the standard is 73 dirhams and the shipping from is completely free. Once you have done it, scroll down right to the end where it says policy. Now this is very important, guys, because you need to include the policy for your refund, and you can create your own store policies or customize a template, and the saved policies are linked in the footer of your checkout. You can also add policies to your online store menu, and templates aren't legal advice, guys. By using these templates, you would agree that you read and agreed to the disclaimer. So just click on create from template and they will create a full refund policy for you. Scroll right down to make sure that you read through it and click on the privacy policy, and you can create it from template, but you gotta make sure that you read through it and make sure that none of this information is contradicting. You have to have a terms and service. Just create it from template and make sure that you go through the information. And once you've done it, please add your shipping policy and your contact information, which you can do from your template. As you can see, our physical address is in the United Arab Emirates. Once all of that is done, just click on save, and all this information that you've added is going to be saved. Now we're going to close our element over here and we'll be ready to sell in the UAE. If you have any questions whatsoever, guys, you can always ask me in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media, on your Facebook, on your WhatsApp, on your Instagram, so more people can find out how simple, straightforward, easy it is to start selling in the United Arab Emirates. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.